Well, hello YouTube! In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to use pointers to grab all these individual things here, individual fields from our imaginary custom table that we have created using C++ structs. So before doing that, let me just clear this mess because this is a lot of code on a screen. I don't want to confuse you. So one example will get the job done. Just a second, I need to make sure that everything is fine. Right, we are cool to go. So the thing is extremely simple. Nothing will be seriously changed here. Just use a star, because every time when you are messing around with pointers, you must use a star and also ampersand somewhere in a code. Let me explain. But first, let's put a star also here. We must do that. Okay. And another thing is you cannot use dots anymore. You must use something else. So that else is this. So do have these things concatenated. Don't use spaces in between, okay? That is very, very crucial. Now let me run this code to see if everything is fine, and I obviously run into problem because I never in my code use ampersand, and when we use star, we of course must use ampersands. Now we're gonna do that right here, okay? When you're calling function, so just type ampersand in front of that general subcontainer. It's not general subcontainer, it's individual one from reality, but it's based on this general container. So this is like individual subcontainer from real life because you have actual data. Anyway, the bottom line, whatever you put here as an argument, put ampersand in front of it when you're working with pointers. You must do that, or the thing will not work. So let me run this stuff and you will get your results. There you go. Bottom line, what you need to do, put a star here, change dots to arrows, and use ampersand here. Now please note, as I said, you cannot use spaces here like this in the middle of symbols. See, problem. But weird stuff is that you can use spaces here or even tabs or something like that, and the thing will totally work. Weird, but it will work. It's C++. Sometimes it's forgiving, sometimes it will just, you know, bust your head. Okay, let me fix this. Okay guys, that's pretty much it in this tutorial, and actually in this whole playlist, because I have managed to pack content from my original playlists that I have in my native language into 54 of tutorials in English. So you're not missing anything. I know that I promised 60 of them, but don't worry, I have packed everything in the 54 English tutorials. So from now on I'm gonna start uploading C++ object-oriented tutorials in dedicated playlists, and after that I'm gonna dedicate this channel mostly, like 99%, to Python, because it's absolutely awesome programming language that is getting a job done for me. There will be a little bit of PHP because aside I'm doing web development and stuff, but also I'm into other businesses where I need a Python, like statistical research and electronics and mechanical calculations and radio testing and stuff, and Python just get the job done for me. So yeah, I'm gonna rest for a couple of days basically because I was working like maniac last month, and believe it or not, it's 7 hours in the morning and I didn't sleep for whole night, and on top of that I'm drinking lots of coffee, which is totally insane. I'm gonna pass away. I don't even want to mention when I eat it last time, I don't know. So yeah, I definitely need to rest myself a bit and catch a little bit of sleep. Right, so thank you for watching, for being with me all this time, for support and subscription, and see you in a C++ object-oriented dedicated playlists. And after that we're gonna start rolling some serious number of Python tutorials, thousands of them, I promise. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up, thank you for watching, and see you in next one.